Venngage offers a wide array of business card templates, ranging from conventional to modern sleek designs. Personalize this business card by simply double-clicking the image and adding your own. If you're seeking success as a realtor, you've come to the right place. Hey everyone, I'm Kyla from Venngage, and in today's video, I'll discuss a crucial yet often overlooked aspect of achieving success as a realtor. In the business of buying and selling, visual appeal is key. Your ability to effectively craft and market yourself significantly influences your chances of success. Today, I'll share 5 design templates essential for your real estate business. Let's get started, shall we? The idea is simple. Present yourself at your best to remain top of mind for potential clients. First things first, communicate essential information clearly and promptly to prospective buyers. This is where real estate flyers prove to be a proven and powerful marketing tool. They offer a captivating snapshot of the property, enticing buyers without the need for time-consuming verbal explanations, and often even without setting foot inside. This efficient approach saves valuable time for both you and the buyer. To discover the best real estate flyers for your needs, visit Venngage's template page, search for flyers, and select the Real Estate Flyers category. Here, you'll find numerous pre-designed real estate flyers that are easily customizable. Let's consider this template. Click Create and the editor will open. To replace the property image with your own, simply double-click it and replace it with your preferred image. Likewise, you can change the logo, text boxes, and other images in the same manner. Visit the Styles option to customize the colors according to your preferences, and your design is ready. Download it and share it with your team members from here. The next essential item for you as a realtor is a professionally designed business card. This not only provides a solid impression, but also conveys to your clients that you take your business seriously. Venngage offers a wide array of business card templates, ranging from conventional to modern sleek designs. Personalize this business card by simply double-clicking the image and adding your own. You can also customize the color and style to suit your preferences. Additionally, consider adding a QR code to your website from here, providing clients with easy access to learn more about you. Another effective tool that a realtor can leverage is a newsletter. By crafting informative, engaging, and personalized newsletters, you can strengthen client relationships, showcase your expertise, and ultimately generate more leads and business. With the assistance of our pre-designed newsletter templates, crafting one becomes super easy. You can utilize these templates for precisely communicating with your clients. Whether it's providing market updates, showcasing listings, or sharing exclusive offers and discounts, these templates allow you to stay top of mind with your clients. Finally, for your everyday design needs, whether it's for social media posts, application process forms, or real estate maps, Venngage offers a variety of exciting infographic templates that you can integrate to streamline your processes and distinguish yourself from your competitors. That's it for today's video. Try creating your own real estate business designs with Venngage for free. Don't forget to follow Venngage on all social media for regular updates, and we'll see you in the next video.